Hello, welcome back and thank you for returning to our YouTube channel. Do you know the IRCC has taken the latest move to modernize the citizen application process? If not, no worries. In today's video, we will be sharing all the features, requirements, and process of an online application with you. Be with us until the end of the video. If you're new to our channel, tap the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Applicants for Canadian citizenship are now able to apply online. Previously, they were only able to apply by paper. The new online portal is designed to be user-friendly and make the application process more efficient. According to IRCC, you can now save partially completed applications and resume them at a later time, upload supporting documents and proof of payment, print a PDF, and ask for confirmation of receipt. To increase applicant capacity on the online portal, IRCC will be using a phased approach. At this time, the online application tool is open to applicants aged 18 and over who are eligible to apply for Canadian citizenship, have a valid email address, apply as an individual, and are not declaring residence outside Canada as a Crown servant or with a Crown servant family member. If the applicants do not meet the criteria described above, they can only apply on paper at this time. IRCC is steadily increasing its capacity to ensure that more people can apply online in the future. To know about how you can apply on paper, stay tuned with our channel. Very soon, we're going to share the procedure with you in our upcoming video. At this time, representatives such as an immigration or citizenship consultant, lawyer, friend, or family member are allowed to be used by applicants only to deliver advice, guidance, or consultation to applicants at any phase of the citizenship application process or in a citizenship proceeding. They can communicate with IRCC on behalf of the applicant after the online application is submitted. Currently, representatives are not able to apply online on the applicant's behalf. Soon, IRCC intends to open an online portal to families, minors under the age of 18, representatives to apply on behalf of their clients, and clients who are declaring residence outside Canada as a Crown servant or with a Crown servant family member. Online application procedure. Here's the online application procedure for Canadian citizenship we've brought to you in a simple way. Pay attention. Keep a copy of your passport, driving license, digital photo, and language proof with you before starting the process. Now, visit the official website of the Canadian citizenship at www.cic.gc.ca. Click on Language and select English or French. After that, click on Applying for Citizenship and make sure of your eligibility. To know about how to check your eligibility, kindly refer to our previous video on eligibility explanation and checklist. Then select Apply Online and check if you can apply online. Confirm if you can apply online by clicking on the Confirm box. After clicking there, you'll be asked if you have a valid email ID. Say yes. Then it will ask you if you're a permanent resident. Again, say yes. Then it will ask you, will you be 18 years of age when you submit your application? Say yes. After that, it will ask, are you applying for yourself? Click on yes. Will you apply using a representative? Say no. What is the result of a physical presence calculator? Must select 1,095 days or more. If you want to know about how to calculate physical presence, refer to our previous video on physical presence calculator. Did you include time spent outside Canada as a Crown servant in your physical presence calculator? Say no. Did you include time spent outside Canada as a family member of a Crown servant? Say no. Now you can apply. Make sure to agree with the terms and conditions by clicking on the Agree box and continue. Now it is the time to create an account. Create an account with your email ID. Once you enter your email ID and passwords, you'll receive a verification code on your email. Check the inbox and enter the code in the verification code box. Select the Confirm code to confirm your account. The next section is about personal information. Select the language as English or French. Next, it will ask you, do you have a special need requiring accommodation? Say no. The next step is it needs the Unique Client ID number, UCI. You can find this number on your PR card. After that, enter your last name and first name. Now it will ask you, have you changed your name? Say yes or no. Enter your gender, height, eye color, date of birth, and marital status. Then continue. After that, it will ask you to provide contact information, your email address, home address in Canada, and phone number. Then it asks, is someone helping you to fill out the application? Say no. Are you paying someone to fill out the form? Say no. Would you like to name a representative to do business with us for you? Say no and continue. The next section of the online application is about resident tax. Here, select the Physical Presence Calculator to check your physical presence eligibility. Check out our previous video on Physical Presence Calculator to know how it works and what its requirements are. Once you check your physical presence eligibility, save the PDF and upload the file here. Fill out the eligibility end date, which is the date before the date you submit your application. List all the addresses inside and outside of Canada during your entire eligibility period. Start from the most recent. After that, it will ask, in the past 4 years, were you in a country or territory other than Canada for 183 days or more in a row since the age of 18? Say no. If you did spend 183 days or more in a row in a country other than Canada, you must provide a police certificate from the country you lived in. If you were in your country of origin immediately prior to becoming a permanent resident and landing in Canada, and this time falls within this 4-year period, you're not required to provide police certificate. Please indicate this in the explanation box of the application form. You can use expired police clearance if you haven't stayed in that country for more than 183 days in a row since the expiry date of the police certificate. After that, you need to fill in the section about your income tax details. Here it will ask, do you have a social insurance number, SEN, temporary tax number, TTN, and/or individual tax number, ITN? Say yes. Enter your SIN number, tax details of 5 years, and select Yes, I give my consent box. Do you currently or have you ever had immigration or citizenship status in a country or territory other than Canada? This includes your country of birth. Say yes and enter the required details. After that, enter your passport details, upload the page of your passport, and click Next. Here, let us tell you that you can also use your expired passport as proof of your Canadian citizenship proof. The next section is about work, school, and activities. Details of all your employment and educational history. Start from the most recent detail and click the Next button. After that, you need to check the Prohibition section. Read out all the questions here and click Yes or No for all questions. Click Next. Now it's the time to provide proof of your language skills. Do you have proof of knowledge of English or French? Say yes and upload language proof. After that, there is a section about consent to disclose personal information after acquiring citizenship. Say yes or no. Your answer will not affect your application. Providing information is almost done. The last step is the payment of the fee. Pay the fee and upload the receipt. For that, select the Pay Application Fee online. Pay the fee, save the receipt, and upload it. We already have a video on our channel that shows how to pay online. Please check that out for more information about online fee payment. Once you're done with all the requirements, review the form carefully for anything missing. After thoroughly reviewing, select Continue and sign your application. Enter your family name and your first name. Enter the city where you sign. Click Confirm and submit your application. Save a copy of the application with you. The application is now submitted. Kindly keep checking your email regularly. Now you know how the online application process works. If you get approved after you apply, the first thing you should do is give yourself a big pat on your back and throw a party for yourself. After all, successfully completing your application and being approved is a great accomplishment. The next step is to take the Canadian citizenship test. To prepare well for the test, check out our previous videos on it. We've prepared an audiobook of the official Discover Canada book for you, and 575 multiple-choice questions are uploaded on our channel, especially for your preparation. Once you clear the citizenship test, IRCC will invite you to attend a citizenship ceremony and take the oath of citizenship. At the end, you'll truly be proud and full of joy, because nothing beats being a Canadian citizen. Next step is applying for your passport. We're going to make a video for adult and child passports separately for your convenience. Keep in touch with us to know about adult and child passport in our upcoming videos. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed yourself and found the online application process pretty easy. Do share your comments in the comment section. Subscribe, share, and like the video as a reward. Thank you for being with us. We'll be back with all new content in the next video. Until then, happy exploring! Thank you.